Hi, welcome to chapter 13 Animal Jumps. Here, find the hidden numbers. Numbers put into this box get multiplied by a number and comes out. Can you guess the multiplier if you see the four numbers coming out of the box? For here, out of the box, there are 28, 36, 48, 72 numbers are there. Let us calculate the what are the number get in and what is multiple and got this numbers. Okay, first we are taking finding the highest common factor HCF, which is highest common factor. Here first factor of 28, which is 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 7 comma 14 comma 28. These are the things multiple by 48. Next factor of 36, which is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12 comma 18 comma 36. Next factor of 48, which is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 12 comma 16 comma 24 comma 48. Next factor of 72, which is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9 comma 12 comma 18 comma 24 comma 36 comma 72. Here the common factors are 1 comma 2 comma 3. Common factors is 1 comma 2 comma 4. So the answer for A option is the multiplier could be 1 comma 2 comma or 4. Here why it is common, 1 is common, 2 is common and 4 is common in the 4 factors. Is there more than one possible multiplier? Yes, we just found 1 comma 2 comma and 4 are all common factors of the numbers. So all of them could be possible multipliers. Here the answer is yes, there is more than one possible multiplier, that is 1 comma 2 comma and 4. Now part C, what number might have been put inside the box? What number we have put inside the box? Let us check for first one, which is the same number 28, 36, 48, 72, which are multiplier is equal to 1. Next second thing is multiplier of 2, which we have to divide 28 divided by 2, which is 14, 36 divided by 2, which is 18, and 48 divided by 2, which is 24, and 72 divided by 2, which is 36. So the answer will be dividing of 2. Okay. 14, 18, 24, 36, which is if multiplier is equal to 2. Next the third one, which is multiplier of 4. 28 divided by 4, which is 7, 36 divided by 4, which is 9, 48 divided by 4, which is 12, 72 divided by 4, which is 18. So the answer will be 7, 9, 12, 18. If multiplier is equal to 4. These are the answer for part C. Share your thoughts in class. You can also play this game with your friends. The multiplier of 1, 2, 4 that you found above are the factors of the number. These are the factors. that comes out of the box, that is 28, 36, 48 and 42. In fact, these are the common factors of all numbers. The numbers 28, 36, 48 and 72 are the multipliers of 1, 2 and 4. The product of two or more factors give multiple. A number when arranged in an array shows the factor of that number. Are they other number that are factors of 15? Try to make other arrays for number 15. Here factor is 3 and 5, which is 3 into 5 is a multiple 15. Here factor 3 and 4, 3 into 4 which is 12. It is a multiplier. 2 and 6 are factors. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. And 1 and 12 are factors. 2 is 12 is a multiple. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. Each of the numbers can divide 12 completely. 12 is the multiple of these numbers. Do you see why 12 is the multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 12? Let us calculate. 12 into which number will give 12? 2 into which number will gives 12? Which is 6. 3 into 4 which gives 12. Next 12 into 1 which gives 12 and 1 into 12 which gives here the answer is 12, which is the number itself is always a multiple of itself. Let us do. Make different arrays for the following number. Identify the factors in each case. For first one, we are calculating that A1, A is equal to factors is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10. Arrays which is 1 is to 10. Array is equal to 1 into 10. 2 into 5, next 5 into 2, 10 into 1, which are the arrays of IA1. Next for B1, answering here, for the 14 factors are 1, 2, 7, 14. Next arrays, which is 1 is to 14, 2 is to 7, 7 into 2, next 14 into 1. Next part C, then which is 13, 13 factors is equal to 1 is to 1, 13. Since 13 has only two factors, 1 and itself, 13 is a prime number. Here 13 is a prime number. Array which is 1 is to 13 and 13 is to 1. Next for part D, the answer is 20. Now calculating for part D, factor is equal to 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, 10, 20. Next array, it is 1 is to 20, 2 into 10, next 3, 4 into 5, 5 into 4, 10, 10 into 2, 20 into 1. Next, E option is equal to factor 1 is to 5 is to 25, where 1 into 25, 5 into 5, 25 into 1 are the array. Next for part F. Here I am writing the answer for part F. Factors. This is 32. Factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Next arrays, which are 1 into 32, 2 into 16, 4 into 8, 8 into 4, 16 into 2, 32 into 1. Next, G is equal to 32. Factors are 1, 37. Here only two factors. 37 also is a prime number. Next arrays, which is 1 is to 37 and 37 into 1. Next H. For part H, the factors for 46 is 1 is to 2, 1, 2, 23, 46, where arrays, which is 1 into 46, 2 into 23, 23 into 2, 46 into 1. Next I is equal to where the factors is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, 54. Arrays. Arrays, that is 1 into 54, 2 into 27, 3 into 18, 6 into 9, 9 into 6, 18 into 3, 27 into 2, 54 into 1. Which are the factors of 54? Number like 13 and 37 are called prime number. Why? Why it is called prime number? Because it has only two factor, 1 and itself. It is called prime number. Next, animal jumps. A rabbit jumps 4 each time and frog jumps 3 each time. Now rabbit jumps 4 times. Next, frog jump 4 lines. If the rabbit and the frog start 0, the number both of them will touch are common multiplier. Where they touch common, that is 3 and 4. 12 is the first common multiplier of 3, 4. What are the other common multiplier of 3 and 4? You can continue the number line or take help from the times table of 3, 4. What do you notice about the common multiplier of 3 and 4? Discuss in class. Let us discuss this one. Now, common multipliers of 3 and 4. Common multiples of 3 and 4 occurs every 12 units. Okay. This is because the LCM, that is least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. So all common multiples will be 12 into 1, which is 12, and 12 into 2, which is 24, 12 into 3, which is 36, and so on. A spider take a jump of 3 every time and a grasshopper jump of 6 each time. Use the number line to find the common multiple of 3 and 6. Okay. 6 and 12 are the two common multiples of 3 and 6. You can continue the pattern to find the common multiple. What do you notice about the common multiples of 3 and 6? Discuss. Here, all the common multiples of 3 and 6 are also multiples of 6. Next, because, next line, because 6 is a multiple of 3, multiple of 3, every multiple of 6 is automatically a multiples of 3. So the common multiples of 3 and 6 are the multiples of 6. Next, let us write the multiples of two numbers 4 and 6. The multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. The multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18. 12 and 24 are two of the common multiples of 4 and 6. List a few more. Here list of 4 will continue. The common multiples are the common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. Here these are the multiples of least common multiples, which is 12. Okay. Let us find 5 common multiples of the following pairs of numbers. Now for the multiples of 2 and 3, the common multiples, common multiples are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Next for B, 5, 8, the common multiplies are 40, 80, 120, 160, 200. Next, for part C, the common multiples of 2 and 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Next for D, which is 2, 3, 9, 18, 20, 27, 36, 45. Next for E1, 5, 5 and 10, the common multiples are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Next for F1, 9 and 12, which is 36, 72, 108, 144, 180. Next for G, 8 and 12, the common multiples are 24, 48, 72, 96, 120. Here this is the answer for G. And for H1, which where the 6 and 9, the common multiples are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90. What do you notice about the common multiples of different pairs of number discussed in class? Here, the common multiples of any two numbers are multiplies of their least common multiple, which is LCM. Next, the first common multiples of 3 and 6 are 6, 12, 18, which is the first common multiples. The first common multiples is the LCM and others are its further multiplies. Next, for example, common multiplies of 3 and 6 are 6, 12, 18, which is multiplies of LCM is equal to 6. Question 2. Food is available at the end of covered road. Ravi the rabbit. Here rabbit jump of 4 each time. Deepku the deep that takes 6 time each. They both start at 0. Will both Ravi and Deepu reach the food? Who will reach first? How do you know? Explain your answer. Let me explain the answer here. First, Robbie jumps 4 steps and Deepu jumps 6 steps. Bobby's position will be, Bobby's position will be, that is 0, 4, that is multiple of 4, 12, 16 up to 64, because 64 divided by 4, which is equal to 60 jumps. Next, Deepko will be Deepko's position, which is a multiple of 6, which is 0, 6, 12, 18, up to 60, 66, which is Deepko's steps 6 into 10, which is 60, 6 into 11, which is equal to 66. So he jumps past 64. Okay. Now the answer will be Robbie will reach 64 exactly, but Deepku will never land on 64. So the answer will be, here I'm writing the answer for second question, that is Robbie will reach first because 64 is divisible by 4, which is 16 into 4 is equal to 64. Deepku cannot reach exactly 64 since 64 is not a multiply of 6. Okay, this is the answer for second question. Only Robbie will reach first Deepku cannot reach exactly 64. It will reach 66. Then the third question is Mowgli friends will live along the trade on the marketplace below. Which of his friends will he be able to visit if he jumps by 2 steps starting? 2 steps means 2, 4, 4 means this one, and next he will be traveling 6, 8, 10, 12. Frog he will meet, and 14 he will meet the bird. Then coming to this one, he will come to meet rabbit. These are the things he will meet while visiting on 2 steps. Let us answer that one. Mowgli will be able to visit friends at positions is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 and 50, which is he will meet ant, frog, bird and rabbit. Next, did Mowgli meet the ant, frog, bird? Notice their position 4, 12, 14, 15. 2 is the common factor of these numbers. Which of his friends will be able to meet if he jumps by 3 steps? 3 is the common factor of the number 9, 12, 39 and 57. Which number will he touch if he jumps by 5 steps? Let us answer this one. If he jumps by third steps, he will meet the friends like 9, 21, 39, 54. Now we are checking on 5 is the common factor of which number? Which number will he jump if he jumps by 5 steps? 5 steps means he will come to 555, then 60. He will comes to 55 and 60 count. Okay. Next, 5 is the common factor of which number? Now, numbers divisible by 5 in the path 5, 10, 15, 20 up to 60. Here the answer is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60. Next, which number will he touch if he jumps by 10 steps? He will reach, while coming by 5 steps, he will reach the same one. Like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Next, by 10 steps, we will come 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. The common factor of 10 number is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Okay. A common factor of 2 or more numbers exactly divides each the number. This is the common factor. Fourth question, let us find some common factors of the number 24 and 36. Note that all jumps in the following question start from 0. Here, first the common factor. Let me answer here. Common factor, which is both the questions answer. Factors of 24, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Next, factors of 36, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Where the common factors of 24 factors Factors of 24 and 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the common factors in 24 and 36. Let us answer this question. First A question. Now, can we jump by 2 steps at a time to reach both 24 and 36? Yes or no? 2 is a common factor. Now we have to calculate for first one. 24 divided by 2, which is 12 steps, and 36 divided by 2, which is 18 steps. Here the answer is yes. Yes. 2 is a common factor. Next, calculating for B option. Now here we have to calculate 3. Okay, 24 divided by 3, which is equal to 8, and 36 divided by 3, which is equal to 12. Here, yes, this is also 3. 3 is a common factor. Next, can we jump 4 steps? Let us calculate this. 24 divided by 4, which is equal to 8, and 36 divided by 3, which is equal to 12. Yeah. Sorry, 24 divided by 4, which is 6, and 36 divided by 3, which is 12. Which is 4. 36 divided by 4, which is 9. Here, yes. Yes, 4 is also a common factor. Next, what other jump can we take to reach both 24 and 36? Let us calculate for D1 besides 2, 3, 4, taking 6 and 12. Okay, taking 6 and 12. First 6, let us 24 divided by 6, which is equal to 4, and 36 divided by 6, which is equal to 6. This is correct. And 12, taking 24 divided by 12, which is 2, and 36 divided by 12, which is equal to 3. So, the other numbers are 6 and 12. Next, how many common factors can you find for 24 and 36? Here are the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are the common factors. What about jumping by 1 step each time to reach 24 and 36? Yes, always possible. Always possible. 1 divides everything. Everything. The answer will be yes. 1 is a common factor. Next, what are the common factors of 12 and 13? The factors of 12, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, but factors of 13, which is 1, 13. Here the common thing is 1. Common factor is 1 only. So the number 1 is the only common factor of 12 and 13. Sixth question. Find which of the following number can be reached by jumping 4 steps. 4, 8, then 12, 16, 36, 48. Okay, now we have to find it like the 4-line jumps will be happens at 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, etc. So the answer will be 0, 16, 36, 48 will be the answer. Next, find the common factors of the following pairs of numbers. Let me calculate that one. For A1, I am writing answer here. That is 7A, which is 12 and 16. The factor of 12, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 12. Next, 16, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 factors. Common, which is 1, 2, 4. This will be the answer for 7A. Next is 7B. 7B, which is 8 and 12. The factor of 8 will be 1, 2, 4, 8. 8. And 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Then the common is 1, 2, 4. Next for 7C, answer will be 4 and 16. Factor of 4 is 1, 2, 4 and 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. The common one is 1, 2, 4. Next for 7D, which is 2 and 9. Factor of 2 is equal to 1, 2 and 9 is equal to 1, 3, 9. Common factor here is 1. Next, 7E, which is 3 and 5. Factor of 3 is equal to 1, 3 and 5 is equal to 1, 5, which is common equal to 1. Next, 7F, which is factor of 12, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 15, where 1, 3, 5, 15. The common is equal to 1, 3. Next, F after G. 7G question is equal to 20 and 5. The factor of 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Next factor of 5 is equal to 1, 5, which is the common is 1 is 1, 5. Next, let us calculate 7H, which is 9 and 21. Factor of 9 is equal to 1, 3, 9 and factor of 21 is equal to 1, 3, 7, 21. The common is 1, 3. 7H. Next, 7I, which is factor of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6 and factor of 27, which is 1, 3, 9, 27. Common thing is equal to 1, 3. Here, these are the different common factors. The major common factor is 1. Now, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, factor of even numbers must be even. False. Because for this one, 8A question, the answer is false, because the reason is even numbers can have odd factors. Example, 2 has the factor of 1, which is odd one. So the answer is false. Next, multiples of odd numbers cannot be even. This is true, because this is true. Answer for B question is equal to 8B is equal to, which is 8B is equal to true, which is multiplies of odd numbers are always odd into odd is equal to odd. Next, answer for part C, factors of odd numbers cannot be even, which is true, because odd numbers cannot be divided evenly by even numbers. Next, one of the common multiples of two consecutive numbers is their product. Let us check this. True, because LCM, least common multiple of two consecutive numbers, is their product. They are all co-prime. Okay. The only common factor of any two consecutive number is 1, which is 2. That is, one common thing is 1 only, so it is true. Next, 0 cannot be factor of any number. Yes, this is also true. True, because division by 0 is undefined. So 0 is not a factor. Next, 9th question. Sher Khan the tiger goes hunting every third day. Bagheera the panther goes hunting every fifth day. If both of them started on the same day, on which day will they hunt? Now let us calculate both third and fourth, where the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. They hunt together every 15 days. Okay. Next, 10 part A question. In the trial shown earlier, Sher Khan's house is on number 25 and that of Balu the bear is on number 30. Mowgli want to meet his friend Bablu the bear but want to avoid Sher Khan's house. How long in steps could each jump be? Let us calculate this. Jump up 1 will hit 25, 5 also hit 25. Let us calculate this one. 10A, which is jump of 6, which is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. This is correct. Then jump of 3, which is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 30, which is until, which skips 25. So the valid answer is 3, 6. It can be 3 steps or 6 steps. The answer for this one. Then what number of jumps he could choose so that he can meet both Kaa the snake at 21 and the wolf at 35. Let us calculate this one. For part B, the common factors of 21 and 35. 21, the factors are 1, 3, 7, 21, and for 35, 1, 7. So, choose the largest common factor, fewer steps are needed. So, the 7 is the correct one. So, jump would be 7 steps. Okay. Here, answer is 7 jumps and skips. 11th question, sort the following numbers into those that are divisible by 2 only, divisible by 5 only, divisible by 10 only, divisible by 2, 5, 10. Now the rules are divisible rules. Divisible by 2 means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It should else. Divisible by 5, it should come under 0 or 5. Divisible by 10, it should end in 0. Divisible by 2, 5, 10 must end in 0 and be divisible by 2 and 5. These are the rules. Okay, now let us check. 22 ends with 2, 8, next 6, 8, 2. After that, 62, 7, 84, 56, 7 numbers. Yes, these are divisible by 2. Let us write that one, which are divisible by 22, 38, 66, 62, 78, 84, 56. Okay. Next, subpart B divisible by 5 only. Then we have to check on 0 and 5. It should end. It should not be divisible by 2 or 10. Okay. Now let us check that. That will be 25, 95, 45, 50, 45, 55, 75. These are the one divisible by 5 only. Let us write that one. Text which is 25, 45, 55, 75, 95. Next divisible by 10 only. End in 10, end by 0, but not divisible by 2 and 5. Then there is no. This category, it is none because if the number is divisible by 10, it is automatically divisible by both 2 and 5. So this is category should be empty. Then divisible by 2, 5, 10, we can check on that ends with 0 and divisible by 2 and 5. This is 90, 30, 40. The answer will be 30, 40 and 90. Now let us draw these things. Write the values in the diagram. Where divisible by 2 only, then the answer will be 22, 38, 66, 66, 62, 78, 78, 84, 56. Next number divisible by 5 only. 5 which is 25, 45, 55. Next 75, 95. Next number divisible by 2, 5, 10 which is here 30, 40, 90. Here number divisible by 10 only which is none. Thank you.